Ang cute guys ng popcorn. Red kasi fire, tapos blue dahil Avatar is blue.
Anyone doing this?
Sama din dun sa 399 yung price.
Enjoy your SM Cinema movie experience. Everyone.
IMAX. Never compromise.
Wow, nagpalakpakan sila. Galing. Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe, no? James Cameron talaga, the best. Ang galing. Galing, galing. Congrats, direct James Cameron.